we're gonna feed this pipe, replace the pipe, put it in here when we foam, so we have that permanent conduit to run wire, electrical and stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. Put the widget up on some saw jacks. All right, so we got the wire in the pipe, and we didn't even have to cut the pipe. It runs all the way right there. So the two headlights are right here and the nav light's right there. It might look like there's no room coming out right here, but there's room on both sides for wire. So we're pouring the foam on top of here, and so it seals in this permanent conduit. But yeah, did a little test sample of the total boat. Slow. It is. It's warm. So there's pretty much the test sample. It's still going, still rising. And we only poured about down to here, just a little bit, and it produced that whole cup worth of foam. It's still squishy, so it's definitely gonna keep going.
Now do the other side.
Yeah. Working good.
High.
I probably poured too much on that side. Ready?
Yeah, I don't think you should touch it. You just have to trim it.
All right, I'm pouring. Here's the second part. Hand.
That'll make that stronger though.
Yeah. You gotta stir it for 25 seconds or for all the streaks to be gone.
That'll reinforce those sides.
So here's the other side. This side got sort of pushed up. The pole got pushed up, but I poured a little bit more that way, so it should start flowing there. But look how big that cup got. Boy, the inside looks worse than it does on the outside.
Looks like an old boat.
Yeah.
Water coming out still.
So now the next step is to do the inside.
We gotta fix a couple of these holes. There's a big gash here.
But that's the total boat foam. It's hanging a little bit. We're probably gonna cut it a little bit. Now that we have it flipped this way, we can cut it easier, because this side's not drooping down as much. here's the foam. It's actually, you can still hear it pop. Listen to it.
Crackling.
Still expanding.
Well, we can paint over that. You know?
It's a good test to see how good the foam is too.
I don't think he used quite that